Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. And today, as you saw by the title, I'm going to show you how to make a door have a working lock on it. Because if you were to just put a key, a lock, and a door in, nothing would happen. The lock would just fall. So I'm going to show you how to actually set it up. I'll show you here. So in the last episode, I showed you how to set up a door that you can actually break down. And, you can knock down the middle part of the door. So I showed you how to set that up in the last video. And in this video, I'm just going to simply show you how to set up a key and a lock on a door. So you can see it works. You can walk through the door. And then I'll show you if I try and open it before I unlock it, it's locked. It's pretty simple, but it's not very obvious on how you do it, so that's why I'm here today showing you how to do it, because everybody should know how to do that if they're making a Hello Neighbor mod. And this is exactly the same for every single lock, every single key, and it's the same for the key card. Except if you're doing the dollhouse, you don't need to set anything up. You just need to put in the dollhouse and put in the key. It's pre-set up for you, so that's one thing about it. But you can use the dollhouse key for other locks. So I'm going to show you how to do it with just a normal key, and we're going to show you how to do it with a key card, because this stuff for the key card is a little bit different, but it's all set up the same way. So first, what you're going to want to do is obviously grab your key. So type in BP_key. You're going to grab the second one. It'll be this blue key here. Now we're going to leave it blue. If you want to change colors, you can just type in any color. So I want mine to be red. So I'll just type in red. I'll look for a red that I like. Let's see. What red do I like? I like that red, so I can just take that, drag it, and drop it right into here. And now my key is a nice red color, a nice red metal color. And now, what we want to do, you don't have to do that. If you want to, that's how you do it. You just type in whatever you want it to be textured as. You find the texture, you drag it on, do some tests, see which one looks best. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in BP_lock. Then you're going to want to choose from the yellow all the way to BP_lock. So these are the ones you can use. This is just something you hide in, and this is an actual key. Ignore that. So we're going to do the red lock. So we'll just grab that. We'll just drag it up. And just to let you know, the lockpick is exactly the same as the lock, as the key. So there's nothing different about anything. Any of the keys or any of the locks, they all are set up the exact same way. So now what you want to do is you want to do door_in. Then you're going to want to grab the first one. And then this is going to be the door that actually opens up. So that's the name of it, door_in. Then what you want to do, you can just line up the key if you want, the lock. Just gonna do it really quickly. My lock is a little bit crooked, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. You can simply fix that by just rotating it. So you can just put it on. You can put it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be on the handle. I just like to put it on the handle because I think it looks good. So next what you want to go do is go under here with the lock selected, go under to lock, go to door, select none, and click on your door. Now you're going to want to click on it and look for the name. If you have multiple doors, this is what you're going to want to do. So I have multiple doors. I have two. Ignore the ones in the back. Those aren't actually doors. Those are multiple parts of a door. Since I have two, this one's called door_inward2. But for you, it's going to, if you only have one door, it's going to be called BP_door. So you're going to want to click on the door you want. For me, it's BP it's door underscore inward 2. And then for you, if it's the first door you put in, it's going to be BP, not BP, door underscore inward. So, basically, just select the door, look in the right side, see if it has a number. If not, or see what it's called, go over to lock, click on door, and then click on the name of it. So we'll click on that because that's the name of my door. Then under codes, right underneath door, you're going to do plus, and you're going to type in whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to type in 2. And then you're going to want to go over to the key, scroll down, and then you should see this under cooking. There should be 1 off. Make sure that's not selected, and then code. Typing the exact same code that you typed in for the lock, and there we go. Now if we go in, you can see, you can grab a key, it's locked, and then there you go. And that's all it is. It's very simple. And it's exactly the same if you want to do it for it's exactly the same if you want to do it for the key card, except it's called something different. So let me show you, because it took me a little bit to figure out what it was. You want to grab your door. You're going to want to grab a key card. It's called card key. No, oh god, where is you? BP underscore card. BP. Jeez, I can't talk. Just grab the one that says BP underscore key underscore card. Grab that. And then you're going to want to do the same thing. Scroll down until you find the code. Change it to whatever you want. So I'm just going to change it to 2 once again. And then you're going to want to type in term. T-R-M. T-R-M. T-E-R-M. I don't know how to talk apparently. Or spell, at least. Then you're going to want to do the one that says BP terminal. Grab that, rotate it just so it looks good. You can put it wherever you want, doesn't matter. Then what you want to do, same thing, select the door, change the code to the same thing you typed in for the key card. And you should see when you select the door, that should turn red. So if you did it right, that should be red. Grab the key card, that's locked. Uh-oh, stinky, we did something wrong. So let's see. The code is 2. And on here, what is the code? What did I do? Oh, 2. Here we go. I just forgot to type it in, I guess. I thought I typed it in. Yes, I did. So there you go. Now, if you did everything right, the door should be locked. That should be red. When you click on it, it should turn green. The door should open. So there you go. That's how you set up the key and the key card. If you want to do the lockpick, it's exactly the same. You just have to type in lockpick. You just got to grab the BP underscore lockpick instead of grabbing the key. So yeah, that's another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.